kailangan maging nakakadiri yung korupsyon. Kailangan hindi siya maging katanggap-tanggap. I think unfortunately through the years, that's really what's happened. It's become accepted. Naging katanggap-tanggap siya sa atin lahat. And I think all of us are guilty here. I think and I think that's the first step in if we want to fix this. Kailangan aminin natin na at some level all of us are guilty here. Hindi ibig sabihin may natanggap tayo. Pero ibig sabihin at some point hinayaan natin na pumayag tayo. Ganyan talaga pag politiko, talagang yayaman yan. Pagka yung mayor na talagang yayaman yan. Ganun talaga. Parang naging accepted siya kahit magtanong tayo sa ordinaryong tao, mag-random survey ka, tanungin mo siguro, ang politiko ba yung mayaman? Karamihan sasabihin, oo naging accepted. And I think that's the first step. We have to challenge that thinking.